What's up YouTube, Mikey Thick back with another video. I don't like doing these long, drawn out mystery intros, so we're just gonna get straight into it. I got my Eibach Sportline springs in. We're just waiting for Brennan to get here with his low profile jack, because once these things are on, I doubt that my little piece of junk jack is gonna be able to slide out of there. Once he gets here, we're gonna get right into it, but stick around for the whole video to see how this is done. We're not doing a step-by-step or anything. We'll let you see a rough idea of what you need to do to get these on. And then definitely stick around to see how these things look on the car, because I'm thinking it's gonna look damn good. He should be here any minute, so I'm gonna get back with you guys when he shows up.
Right here. We don't need that anymore.
That's my big mod.
Yeah.
Saving that for later.
Dynamic.
Ooh.
Out with the old.
Dude, that's low as fuck.
Low.
That's low as fuck.
Dude, this exhaust is like an inch off the ground. Stuck on a fucking gas tank. Look under here. Oh my god. It's stuck on everything. How the fuck did you try this jacket even work on it? Is that out of the fucking shock?
Yeah.
You already saw the edit, but this is what the car's looking like. It is a hell of a lot lower. It's just, honestly, this is perfect for me. There's a little bit of a gap, like a 2-finger gap, but I'm gonna have bigger tires on here anyway. Eventually, I'm probably gonna have some pretty big radials on there. So I'm fine with that, because this isn't gonna be a show car, you know what I mean? I want it to look nice, don't get me wrong, but I have a lot of stuff coming for this car. It's gonna be a lot faster than it is right now, which I'll actually be getting into some of that on the next video, which I'm probably gonna film later today, so please excuse me if I'm wearing the same shirt and all that, but I'm probably gonna do that today and show you guys what mods I have coming up for this. And yes, it's actual performance adding parts, not just more cosmetics. This is pretty much one of the last cosmetic things I'm gonna do besides that window tint, like I said in my last video. But I'm very, very happy with how it turned out. And I really can't wait to start putting more power into this thing, because it looks good. And right now it's kind of all show and no go. I mean, from the factory, there's still quick cars, but you know how it is. You always want more. Okay, besides the train, this is a really cool spot to film at. It's pretty secluded. I'm back here behind a casino, but this is like a weird back lot that no one goes to. I forgot to say before, I apologize. Something happened with the footage. My camera was getting full, so we missed a lot of the clips of actually putting the springs on. But I at least wanted to give you guys a little overview of what the car looks like now. That's really the main thing. This wasn't gonna be a full out how-to on how to do it. Just a rough idea, because I know the videos online right now make you do a bunch of extra stuff. All you have to do is take out the bottom shock bolts, put your car on jack stands, and the rear end will drop to pull the springs out. Then in the front, all you have to do is loosen up those 2 bolts on the control arm on the bottom, take out your sway bar link, and then take out those, what do you want to call it, the ABS wheel sensors and all that. Disconnect that from the control arm. The whole thing drops. Take out the bolts on top, pull them out, compress the spring, put the new one in. I actually had to redo a part. I kind of screwed up the alignment on the top hat, so I had to redo that. But other than that, with my friends helping me, it took me like a few hours. It was no big deal at all. But I'm gonna cut the video here. My next video, I'm gonna be filming the same day, like I said. I'm just gonna go in my garage and show you guys the parts that I've been picking up for it. I found some good deals on a couple things, so I'm gonna put those on very soon, get it tuned, and this thing is gonna be kind of stupid. It's not gonna be super fast. It's gonna be a legit street car. It's not gonna be a car with a big tire that just so happens to run on the street. This is gonna be an actual street car, something reasonable that I can still drive around with, have some fun with. I'm not gonna get too crazy with this thing. At least I don't think so for now. But yeah, within the next couple months, I'm gonna get those parts on, and this car is gonna be a lot of fun. Definitely watch that video to see what's going on the next couple months. Other than that, you guys know the drill. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Be sure to subscribe if you want to keep up to date and watch this build come together, and turn on the notifications if you want to see whenever I post a video. This one's a little late, but I generally upload every single Sunday. So until then, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.
This is a Chucky Beat production.